Hi everyone, welcome back. Lastly, we were doing projects related to GANs, which stands for Generative Adversarial Networks. Also, we already tried some examples, which is for face aging, also face restoration. We already tried. Then also in this video, I want to try another example, which is for gender swapping. So in here, we are gonna use StyleGAN2. Also, I want to talk about, for example, what these GANs are actually. In previous videos, we little talk about that, but these style GANs are the advanced version of GANs, we can say. Also, GANs are developed by NVIDIA, by the way, and also this StyleGAN2 is the developed version of the StyleGAN1, we can say. And these are used for these areas, for example, realistic image generation. For in the you see maybe around there are some faces which are not exist, so they are created by StyleGAN. And also content creation and art, so some NFTs are now created by AIs, which is in the behind. I'm sure there are GANs also using in there. And also image manipulation and editing. For example, you want to remove some objects from the image which is looks like not in there before. So for those kind of editing and manipulations, also these style GANs are used. Video and film productions, even nowadays they are used because in the way of they are creating images, they can also create some videos by just combining those created images. And also face manipulations, which we are already focusing nowadays. Also we are doing some videos which is about face aging. We already did a video. Face restoration we already talked about before, which is now in this video we are gonna focus to gender swap also. There are many areas this can continue, but my target by doing these things, because I didn't wrote or train these models, because there is also showing here how to train, but I'm just my focus is just trying this kind of repositories, so you can get an idea what these AIs are doing and how we can easily try them. So you can try in your environment or you can try in your projects even, because training is really large effort taking. So already there is a trained model in here. Thanks to this repository, you can also go to here. Also there is a collab repository in here. Here you can get the models easily by just two commands. One is from which is helping for man to female and the other female to man. So they are trained for those purposes. And what I'm gonna do in this video, I just copied all the code in here. Very simple code which is in this Visual Studio. Actually around 50 line we can say, or 80 line, which is just loading the trained model, and after that there is a shape detector of the DLIP library which we are always using, which is this one. You need to get this model for that purpose, and also you need to get those female and male, which is in here. This is PyTorch models. You need to get these two models for different opposite purposes of this gender swap. And this you need to get this. Also you need to get the repository I showed in here. I'm gonna put to the description, as I said. I got one error only, which is about the aligning. I just fixed that. Maybe I want to show you that one also in this aligner.py. In here there was a about the alias, which is also when you got, I'm sure if you search in the internet you are gonna find the way also. In here there is a resize function is removed from the older one, but not this one I'm using. Okay, where is the other one? This one, yeah. Just I changed the line, this line 1 to 9 with this, because the previous one was something like this one. I think this is also an error, but since it does not enter this scope, it's not giving error to me. But I just replaced this line with the current one you see now, so it fixed the error, just to notify you also. I already got some 4 image. These are already not exist image also. Just I don't want to try which people are already exist. So these are not exist people. Yeah, I just got those that code into my local, and if the people are still having problem with the code, I can directly send this to them if they mail to me. Anyway, here I'm just putting some images. For example, we can start with the first one, first.jpg. Since this is a woman, I want to convert this to a man. So I need to just change the model, which is to male. And here all I need to is just calling test dot y. Okay, anyway, so I just need to call this one, and it's detecting. By the way, since I have a CUDA and GPU is in the behind, is using GPU, so it's really faster. But if you are using CPU, I didn't check detail, but I think it's supporting CPU maybe. Oops, nothing specifically written something, but there's no clear explanation also, but I think it's gonna work also with the CPU, maybe just taking long time. Anyway, we tried this woman and let's see the result. Yeah, you see it's really good. I can say very beautiful is converted to a man, which is a new gender, so it's doing that one. I'm gonna do my warnings because all of my images, you can also see they are really clear faces, heads, and other kind of things, but we can try and we can talk at the end. This is 2. Okay, second one is this one, and let's see how it's gonna be converted. Now it's done. Yeah, you see there is beard, mustache around, so this is a beautiful man coming out. And now we can try these men to convert to girls. Let's try with the third one, and I want to convert them to female. And let's see how it's gonna looks like. This is the man I want to convert, and you see there's a new girl coming. I can say, but yeah, this is good, but the hairs shorter they choice, so we can try the last one, which is 4.png. Okay, and let's see how this is gonna be looks like. Okay, yeah, you see it's converted, but yeah. What I want to warn you about is that this is gonna be working, at least this train model, because I'm sure this is used by non-exist pictures, this model trained, and also mostly non-exist pictures faces are frontal at all. So this is working well only in the frontal faces. Also, that's why in the code the developer already coded for aligning. So if the face is not yet aligned or even aligned, it's one more time aligning that face to be able to make the model working fine. So I can say if you use this pre-trained model, it's not gonna work well not frontal faces with not frontal faces. So you need to give the frontal faces as input. The other thing, according to my experience, because I used this before also, this is working, this pre-trained model is working well from girl to man better than man to girl. So I don't know why it's like that, but maybe because of making long hair, sometimes little making ugly the pictures because the pixelizing happening here, according to my experiences. Just yeah, but if you guys want, you have your own if you have your own pictures, faces, the data sets, then maybe you can train by yourself. Also, you don't have to directly use the training command or training methodology in here. If you go to the StyleGAN2 main page, maybe you can also get the steps in there. Simply in this video, I just wanted to talk about this beautiful repository, which is showing us a gender swap purpose of this StyleGAN2. So I wanted to talk about this. I'm done for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.